Bail matters or bail issues in public discourse have become a very controversial issue over the years. So I've said this in different public fora that bail is free and bail remains free. It is ignorance of the law that makes people to pay money for bail. Unfortunately too, those who are supposed to be the custodian of the law, talking about the legal practitioners, some of them are aiding and abetting the payments for the release of their clients at police stations. So when you pay money for bail because of the pressure put on you by either the IPO or your lawyer, at the end of the day, people say that bail is not free. Now, there is something I want people to understand about this bail of a thing. There is a certain amount of money written on the bail bond. When you have a typical bail bond, there's a certain amount of money written on it. Now, that money written on the bail bond, if you read it very well, you are not to pay that money at the police station. At the point of releasing your client or the suspect, you are not supposed to pay that money. Now, what that simply means is that if the suspects that you're standing as surety for, talking about those who are standing as sureties, if the suspect jumps bail, that is when the law will hold you liable, and you will pay the money stipulated or written on that bail bond. And you are not to pay the money to the police, you are to pay it at the courts. It will go into the federal government coffer. That is for the bail bond. So when people pay money for bail, it is ignorance of the law that makes people to pay money for bail.
For complaints, you can contact the Complaint Response Unit via the channels displayed on your screen. Bye for now.